Nigel Yaman TV.
Big up Nigel Yaman TV.
Big up Nigel from Yaman TV.
Big up yourself, Nigel Yaman TV.
Yes,
Bam,
no man.
bam, bam, bam.
Nigel, welcome to Jamaica.
Thank you so much.
Alright, big up yourself.
Big up yourself for the Jamaica. Them tell we say we're poor, but we're not poor. Look at richness. Right there, so.
That is it.
Simplicity. Simplicity in life, you see?
Big up Nigel TV.
That is it.
Big up Nigel Yaman TV, yeah. You don't know what things set with the pan Lime Cay, yeah. With JA Pirates, of course, and you know, with the New Year's Day. What can beat this? Rich!
My sandwich, you know what I mean?
Big up Nigel Yaman TV.
I never forget, believe.
So right now, people, I'm out and about. I am going on an adventure. The first day of the year, we are back at it like a crack addict. So right now, I'm big up Father God. Thank Father God to let us live to see 2026. I don't know, say 2026 gonna be a lot of banger, a lot of crazy video, a lot of collab, a lot of outdoor. So I want to stay tuned. So to the people, we are head over to an island here in Jamaica. We are leave the main island and we are going on an island called Lime Cay. We are going to do some cooking, we are going to hold some vibes, we are going to hold some swim. So I want to bring you guys with me and I want to stay tuned. We have some guests. We have guests like Knife Ninja. We have guests like Nick from Canada. So I want to stay tuned. We're going to pick him up right now. And we're going to get some stuff because we're going to do some cooking as well. Alright? Because you don't know we can go up on the island and we want to cook some food. So that's a go on and what I go on. So we come in and watch the process. The people right now, I'm link up with Ninja.
That is it.
Yes, no man. We're going to do some cooking in a pan the island. Or we say we are going, right? Or you say I cook?
So we will get some chicken breasts, fillet them, season them up, and we fry them and make some sandwich, you know what I mean?
Some sandwich.
Yes, no man.
Alright,
so
that is it.
That's going to be a lifestyle moment, you know what I mean?
Lifestyle
A
moment.
lifestyle moment.
You know
That
now.
is it, you know now.
Look where Ninja get people.
Butter bread, guys.
Ninja say him alone and eat one of them bread there, no peeps.
Yeah, man. One of them bread, I mean alone.
You alone and eat one of them bread there.
Alone.
Alright.
450 grams of bread in my system.
Alright, sir. Bread and chicken.
That is it.
Alright, you know watch the process. We out here. Supermarket style. So we get the stuff them in a supermarket. Right now, I'm going to go pick up Nick from Canada. And then we are head out to Port Royal. Alright? So I want to stay tuned, watch the process. And remember people, if you read so far in our video, please subscribe. 2026, yeah man, you don't want to miss them content here. So now stay tuned. Alright? Big up on yourself. We are going for Nick you know. So yeah people, we reach out pan the key you know. Lime Cay we are going on now people. We are going to cross up. See everything right there, so I go on. We have coal, we have bag, we have patterns, we have everything in there. So we are going over to the island, right you know. So I want to stay tuned and lock in and watch the process. It's gonna be a vibe. Happy New Year to every one of you guys. And I wish you all the best in 2026. You get me? So stay tuned, watch the process. So we're both right there. Straight over there we are going. Yeah, people. Where's that, Nick?
Well, go on, people. Happy New Year.
That is
Come
it.
over more, sister.
Alright, so now go and stay tuned. Watch
More
how I
jacket
go
up
on.
them, man.
Out there we are going, alright? $2026, and this way I do people. The first day of the year, which is, which month we in? January. Yeah man, January, 1st of January, this is what we're doing. Adventure. You get me? Port Royal. You get me? So, big up on yourself, on stay tuned. That's gonna be our vibes. You don't know, so we have a boy Nick here. Without fear, you get me?
Watch the process.
Watch your process, and that is it. Yeah, Ninja. Why?
That is it. Pack us like a crocodile.
Yes, no, man. you know. See, it's a White Sand Island people. Just look at that. We reach you now. So we're just gonna find a spot, pull up. You don't know we are gonna do a thing. You see me? So we out here. Look what I go on. That is it. Well, let me say chin. Yeah, people, we're rich. We're rich. Watching on to my now. We're rich. Yes, sir. All of them shall I yourself to swim. So where they name? Little D. So when them come Port Royal and want come a Lime Cay, them for ask say?
Little day.
That is it.
Number one. No other day but that day.
No other D but that D there. Alright. So when you come and want to come over to the island, you link up, you ask Little D. And make Little D know say Nigel send you over there. Alright? That is it. So we're going to unload off the boat here now and get everything up and running, up and gunning. Alright, so we're up on the island here now, people. We just did a walk around and look for a spot where we're going to do the cooking, where we're going to set up. And now me and cooking a knife ninja cook. So just did a look for a spot which part we're going to set up. You get me? One I think I like it over here, when the people, when you come over here, people, I want to bring on a garbage, I want to bring on a stuff them. I want to please carry back the garbage them and not leave no garbage over here. Not like that. You see me? But we're here. What you say? See it, more people are forward.
Yeah man, more people are forward, so you have to go. We are secure that spot here.
Secure that spot here, so?
Yeah.
Alright, that is it. Then now on tree. Alright, so there I go cool off little. And then me I go have some swim. You get me? So now just go and stay tuned. More all a trim. But I think me I go relax me here for the new year. For 2026. Tell me if I lock it or if I trim it. Now tell me. Alright? So I'll get some things done right now. So I'm gonna go and stay tuned. And remember guys, if you guys are not subscribed as yet, please subscribe. Alright, it's free of cost. And when you subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a video, okay? So I love you guys. Thank you for your love and support. And Happy New Year again to all of you guys, alright? We out here, I do the right thing. So when you just look out for more crazy video like this and more adventure around Jamaica, more hidden location, I'm gonna give it to you, alright? So when you don't want to miss, also remember telling your friends and family about Nigel Yaman TV, alright? We out here on the beautiful island. Remember we're up on a different island, people. We're not there at Jamaica again. So Jamaica over there, so the island over there is Jamaica. So we there somewhere else. Lime Cay. That is it. I go all to swim. In a salt water, you know, I go dip, get wet. A whole heap of people are come over here now. Jaja stars up. I'm not going to hear a whole heap of music. I'm not going to hear it, I'm going to cut it out. But see, all one yacht you pull up. So now watch the process, I go all to swim. First, I swim from the new year, you know, from last year, I'm not going to salt water. You know. So watch how I go on. 2026. Swimming. Yes. Get some salt water. some salt water in my system, people. Cause from what day I did sick and the flu did have me away. But now, kinda get better, you know. So salt water, a lot of you guys say salt water help, I'm going to dip in the salt water. Alright, I'm dip in it. Man saying can't swim and him a go deep water. You ever see this? He can't swim but him a go deep water. What? What? Man can't swim and him a go to deep.
Can't swim, people. You know
What you say? You can't swim?
I learned today, is it?
Today you learn.
Yeah, man, we are learned today, man.
For New Year.
For the new year. This
That's
is the mission, you understand? So,
You hear that, people? Yes, no man.
next time when you see me out there, some reach.
John, I say I gotta do some spear fishing.
What? Some spear fishing.
Believe. That one more I learned for this year, you know, some spear fishing. Over here, pack you know, over here full of big people and we come. Not a lot of people, a lot of tourists there over here. So we are going to hold our vibes. We are going to walk around the island now, just take a little tour and make you see what going on. Because over here, full up you know. You have boats further around which part we go. A lot more people at that side. So when you come in, boat, a whole if a boat reach over here, you know. Some come and gone, some still here. So most of them people, are not a lot of spot around here so for swim. So most of the people them move come to the side here around here so for swim. And a lot more boats go forward. Cause time still young and it's a holiday the 1st of January. So it's a holiday as well. I don't call this a crowd but a lot of people over here still have fun and enjoy themselves. So just walk go down to the next end and make you see what go on, alright? Now come in. So we're out here. I say we can get a ride from the jet ski here. You want some help? What go on?
What say?
It flood out?
No, look like the battery slack.
Oh, the battery slack, the black you want tighten up. That is it. I think we can walk and go back around through so. From here I come over here and people first me I come this side. First me I walk come out to this side, always down to the end where we are come from. Always we're coming from. That's where I always are. Right, I never come out here so before. So it's a good look. You have white sand out here so but a lot of rock. Not a lot of spot to swim out here so. I think we are going to try it and go back through round so. Just to show you guys the island. It don't take you very long to walk out the island. Probably about 10 minutes or so, 10 to 15 minutes to walk around the island. Alright, so this is Lime Cay out by Port Royal. Alright. You have a next island over there called Maiden Cay. It's just a sandbed. That's where all the yachts them go dock, keep party and a lot of crazy other things. Round here, so just be a rock on this side. Nowhere to swim around here. But we are go walk and go back through there so and go around. If we can walk there, because we're not sure if we can walk there, so but we are gonna give it a try. Right? Come in. What you say, Nick?
Stay tuned, lock in.
Yes, no man. Yeah man, a beer rock there this side. Just like how the other side have a lot of sun, white sun. Around here, so I have no sun. Be stone. You couldn't do this barefoot. Now, me adapt Daddy Irish style. Daddy Irish walk on rock barefoot. Oh, you're there in a swim shoes now. Me barefoot.
Put them soft.
But we are gonna make it round. Where you say you put them soft? So go on, people. That is it. It's a nice view. That's spool of them. And them here the big predator fish them feed pan, you know. Then little fish here. So people, we make it back on the other side. On the white sand side. Reach back around. You good back there, Nick? We see Captain Morgan ship forwarding people. One pirate ship. Alright, so we walk around the island. Alright? That wasn't bad. What you say, Nick?
Gotta walk through the middle now.
Yes, no man. So that was a walk. But yes, no man. So now we are going to check in and see where Ninja go on with, because we left him say I prep some food.
See you playing around.
One plane, yeah. The airport they over that side. The airport they on Jamaica, because we're not there at Jamaica right now. We're there in the Caribbean right now on a different island called Lime Cay. Alright? Captain Morgan ship forwarding. So we're going to check in for Ninja and see what I go on.
Guys, right now we just get the chicken breast them sliced, you know what I mean? So
yeah.
we are gonna do right now, we are to start the seasoning process, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah man, season up everything, but as I was saying, the highlight for today is gonna be this Excelsior crackers. Excelsior, big up on yourself.
Yeah.
This is not sponsored, big up on yourself, Excelsior. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man, that one I got wicked, so just stick and stay and watch what I go on.
Yes, no man.
That is it.
See breast there.
Yes, no man.
Everything there.
Yeah man, we have the jerk.
Jerk season.
Yes man.
That is it.
That is it.
Alright, so now go and lock in. It's gonna be a vibes out here without fear. People that come from near and far. A whole heap of Chinese messy over here. But you know watch the process. We're gonna catch some of them and come still walk on. Alright? I'm gonna show them. See them over there, sir?
Lang shang lang pai. Lang shang lang picky pie pie. A picky pie pie bow.
Bow! Yes, no man, I don't hear that from one Nick. Alright, so we are staying and watch what go on, people.
Yes,
looking
no,
at
man.
pot. I chicken this way well seasoned up.
Well seasoned.
So you do right, sir.
So we are crush up the crackers, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, crush up some crackers.
Yeah, this is going to be the crust with the chicken.
Oh,
Carry it straight to the pot.
okay.
That is it, man.
So you're going to take the chicken out of here so you season up.
Out of that to this,
To that,
to the pot.
to the pot.
Yeah, the last time we used cornflakes, but we decided to use something completely different this time around.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, man.
Believe no man.
One Nigel.
Can't wait to taste this people.
Trust me, that one here go wicked, man.
That one here go wicked.
I also say, guys, we have the whole, we have the bread, you know what I mean? And we have a tomato, and we have a lettuce, we have everything, we have the whole 9 yards. So let's watch what I go on.
That is it. What you say, Nick? You ready for some of it?
Yeah, man.
You can't wait, don't it?
As a hungry man.
As a hungry man. People are only for more boat forward from the spot, you know. Only more boat over there. So now stay tuned and watch the process.
Nigel Yaman TV.
Alright, you hear that, guys? That is it, so.
One transporter now.
One transporter.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Underscroll, AAA.
Alright
The
then.
transporter, underscroll, AAA. Find me anywhere in Jamaica.
Alright, that is it. You see that, guys? So we're there, we are interact. Blessings, you know, you see it? That is it, man. So peeps, we're there. It's a lifestyle moment. We're just interacting and holding the vibes. How's the pizza, guys? It's good?
Watch out, go on, people. Ninja put on pot, you know. For fire, you know. Watch out, go on. Season up.
Well
Nice.
seasoned up,
Well
guys.
seasoned up.
One Knife Ninja active out there without fear. Big up Nigel Yaman TV, guys. We're here with a lot of people from Italy. Guys, we're international, you know what I mean? We're international, guys, so stay tuned and just watch what I go on.
Big up Nigel, Yaman TV, yeah. You know things set with the on Lime Cay, yeah. With JA Pirates, of course, and you know, with the New Year's Day. What can beat this? Rich!
Yeah, over here packed today now, man. Whole it more people rolling right here, so with igloo and one whole pass up. People over here so asleep. People over there, so. Survives. Boat like crazy out there, so. I soon go back out there. I couldn't see what going on, alright? We out here without fear.
Big up yourself, when you're Jamaica, them tell we say, we're poor, but we're not poor. Look at richness, right there, so.
That is it.
Simplicity. Simplicity in life, you see? We work hard over so, and then we come back here so, and then we guess what? Well, we are working over this so far, because we have everything here, so the rich is the right, so you know. Big up on yourself. Understand, stay humble, find inspiration, and go chase a freaking dream. And nobody can freaking stop you, you see? Ryan Thompson said that, you see? Big up.
Believe. Where you say now, Majay?
Yeah, man. Anything we say, that's a law. Bless up, is it? Big up Nigel TV.
That is it.
Family over everything.
Yeah.
Don't get caught up in a work, and forget how to live. Make sure you live. Simplicity. Yeah, man.
Wait. So they wait for the pot for hot. So we can put in the chicken in the pot. So what go on over here, so. See chicken here. Well seasoned in some jerk season and some molly powder thing. So just a wait on the pot for hot.
Well, go on everybody. Big up Nigel Yaman TV. This is Tash Johnson, the experience curator, and I'm here in Lime Cay, Jamaica for an extraordinary experience with a group hosted by Love to Vacay with Tash Johnson and Co. And we're here to have a great time. One of the many things we do out here is show you extraordinary experiences. We curate them from events to travel. And of course, if you love what you see, you can always buy, because we also engage in real estate. And we want to sell Jamaica. We believe in investing in Jamaica. We believe in supporting local. And we believe in you sharing in the Jamaica experience. So when you're ready, make sure you're following us on Instagram at Tash Johnson and Co. Love to Vacay. And of course, we'll see you in JA.
Yes, big up Nigel from Yaman TV. Yeah, so today we got Castle Black Rum from St. Mary, Islington, overlooking Robbins Bay. We have about 8 flavors right now. We have 2 overproof, Frost and Fire. Fire is more like your burning feeling. Frost is more of a smooth vodka feel. We have White Dark. We have Amaretto. We have coffee. We have coconut. And we also have vodka. So we have something just for everybody. Everything is made, produced, manufactured here in St. Mary, Jamaica. The only thing that is not Jamaican is the bottle. That's it.
And if they want to get the rum, they can buy it online.
If they want to get the rum, they can buy it online. They can actually go contact at castleblacrum.com. Go on our Instagram and DM us at castleblacrum. We're also located at NK Warehouse, Duty Free, Kingston, Jamaica, all the ports, several restaurants and hotels coming in January.
That is it.
It's a vibe.
That is it. People, we are gonna try it. We are try it. Where's the ninja?
A juice we make a while ago. We never did that.
You know, put on a real rum in it.
Sorry, let's stop up with that.
That's coconut.
Coconut? Yeah. Yeah?
Right. Coconut rum.
Alright guys, watch your style.
Tell where it is.
Whoa, hold on. Where's this made? Premium Jamaican coconut, guys.
St. Mary, Jamaica.
St. Mary? Yo, this is amazing. Now, like, the flavor, the coconut flavor is really strong. It tastes like nice.
Nice.
Whoa.
Alright, so
we're
gonna
That's
try it.
coconut with the pineapple.
Coconut with the pineapple.
St. Mary's version of the pina colada.
Yeah?
Oh my. Yeah. Yeah, very smooth.
No cream.
Yeah.
Just rum.
This is nice, people. You guys should get a bottle. See there, this one is the coconut one. Jano. So remember, check him out, guys, and follow the Instagram if you guys want any to order.
Castle Black Rum, DM me, respond right away. 876-301-3502. We deliver anywhere in Jamaica, from the Grill, Ochi, Kingston, Mandeville. Anywhere we want to go, we can go.
Alright. So yeah, man, please check him out, guys. Rum tastes really nice. Smooth. How is it, Nick? Smooth.
Smooth for true.
Yes, no man.
For merely drinker,
Yes.
this is a win.
Yeah, it's a win. It's shot. I'm not lie. Believe. When I watch the process, we out here, I enjoy ourselves to the fullest. Happy New Year's again to all of you guys, near and far, yard and abroad. Love you all.
So guys, what I did, we're chicken them a store for quite some time now. So this is the chain right here. This is the train. So basically I'm going to dip it from this to the pot. You know what I mean? So everything is going to be organized. The oil supposed to hot look on this. Yeah man, it hot. I can feel it. And I want it for slow cook because I don't want the chicken breast them burn. So your boy Knife Ninja active, guys. First time. Hopefully we get that nice golden crust when I look for. You can hear it a pop. So we are start the shaker right now. So stay tuned and watch what going.
Oh, one question more ask the Ninja. You say it's your first time over by Lime Cay.
Yes, it's my first time, guys. The experience, it's wonderful. The ladies are beautiful. The scenery is awesome. The breeze, the atmosphere is right, you know what I mean? So I'll definitely be coming back here again. Definitely big up Nigel Yaman TV for extend the invitation for us to be here and for share this grand moment, especially seeing that it's the new year, guys. You understand, it's a good look, so it's a great way to start off the year, and we're gonna have a lot more banger videos. We need to camp out a night over here. I don't know if it's possible. Is it?
Yeah man, possible.
Yeah,
man.
so camp out a night over here, guys, and just have a lifestyle moment, you know what I mean? So just watch what I go on, whole heap of banger video I go forward. You see me? Nigel, I'm another brother. I'm a brother from another mother. You understand?
Yes,
so
no man.
that is it. Bless up yourself, you.
Yeah, no, no. So anyone of you guys who want camp as well, you can link me. Send me a message on Instagram. My number as well I got there in the description, so you can forward. Alright? Believe. See chicken them right here, so. Bomba. That is it. So now go and watch the process. Chicken breast in a crackers. This bad. This I got nice. So no lucky. Find you for learn for dance, how them can find you?
Yeah man, Instagram goes too cool, TikTok goes too cool, lifestyle moment.
Man, Jamaica no problem. You know what Nico Flame team put on flame? Don't know, I'm out.
Look what I go on, people. Ninja say them dark color you want on the chicken.
Yes, no, man.
See him there?
That is it, guys. So this is exactly what I was looking for. The second batch. I don't know if you smell it, Nigel.
Yeah, man, I smell it. All I meant in here what you say. Yeah, man, go on.
Yes, as I was saying, guys, this is the crust that I was looking for. A nice dark crust there. Yeah, man. So I make sure say we'll probably not get it on the next side, but no matter. But it looks really amazing. It smells good. It's a good look. Again, big up Nigel Yaman TV. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I want more videos like this in August. So I'll try again.
Big up yourself, Nigel Yaman TV.
Yes,
Ba,
no man.
ba, ba, ba,
Ba. Yes, no man. So she's from all the way from Israel. That is it.
They are in Jamaica.
Yes, no man. And guess what, people? The dancing that you guys seen before, that's her. She's a very big dancer. So yeah, man, check her out. Love her. Awesome. Alright, so what you are going, people? It's a vibes out here. Food a cook. It not done cook as yet. Big up to all of you guys who are watching. Big up to all the new people that we meet in 2026. Yes, no man. We come a Lime Cay. We have a good time. Big up Ninja. Big up Nick. You see me? So we out here without fear. We enjoy ourselves. And remember, people, if you guys want to do things like these, go on island like these, have some fun. We have some camping trip planning up. So if you guys want to do some camping, then link me up. You get me? It's gonna be a vibes. 2026, a be a vibes. So no just stay tuned. And I'm have to subscribe. Subscribe. No, hold on. I'm gonna wait for you to make you subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah, so on the subscribe, so it's gonna be a vibe. So 2026, whole heap of new video, whole heap of new vlog, whole heap of new places. You're not gonna see everything, man. So if you don't want to see everything, just make sure it's on the subscribe. Look what I go on in that pot right here, so people. That is it. So right now we left Ninja say I'm gonna share deal with the song with them now, because right now we're hungry. Look what I go on pan it. Whole heap of boat there out here. People out here like crazy. Look what I go on. The boat over, so boat look like them are going left. They're going to jump off in the water and go and hold to swim. So come in. Yeah man, this is how we do it in Jamaica. Yeah man. See, this is how we do it. A lot of boat. Go on, look man, you see the dark cloud? Look dark, like rain are going to fall. Look over that side. Yeah. People might enjoy themselves. Yeah man, Happy New Year's. 2026. January the 1st. We outside. I'm not gonna see a whole lot more outside video with Nigel. If you don't believe, ask God. I also want to big up Father God to you for this now. God in God we trust and everybody else be a cash. Alright? So we out here without fear. If you don't believe, ask God. Right, say food I got share now, people.
Fully active.
Look on it. The vegetable right here, so. Bread I got cut.
That is it, guys. We gotta do the right thing, so you know what I mean? And also we're here making connections, guys.
Believe.
It's a beautiful day in Lime Cay, so we're gonna share and you know what a vibe. It's a lifestyle moment, guys, you know what I mean? It's a beautiful day. But that's all a vibe.
You know what now?
Big up Nigel Yaman TV.
I never forget. Believe.
That is it, man.
Bread them, man. Ninja say I eat one of them.
No, one of them bread I eat for myself.
This ninja say I eat the whole of it.
Yeah, they're here. You want to taste it? Definitely.
So watch what going. We have a taste tester right here, people. That is it. We get a taste a tender.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Go right here. Yes. That is it. Chef, go on.
Alright guys, so
that is it.
I'm gonna put a little ketchup.
Yes, you want ketchup?
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Alright, so
go on.
So we're making connections, guys.
Yeah. Making connection.
Oh my word. You can just imagine, yo, my mouth are in water, so yo, I just want to eat some food right now. Nick, ready for your own now?
Go on, King. Go on. Enjoy this.
From Canada, guys. Oh my gosh, I don't want to.
People
I
that are going.
have chicken in night already, but I don't know why that chicken has decided to jump out from the field. Nick, take a slice.
Did we exchange phone numbers?
No, not yet.
Alright guys, so watch your style now. Let me show you three. This is mine now, peeps. My sandwich, so you know what that means.
As a big back.
As a big back. So watch your style now, peeps. I tell Nigel that I eat off all of this myself, by myself.
Big back activities.
Yeah, so watch your style. As that drop. I'm gonna put my Nick, pull two something for me, please. This is my sandwich, you know what I mean?
Yo!
As a big back.
As a big back. Bomba! Can take down and deal with it. Yo, you say you can eat off all of that? No, sir.
Guys, subscribe. Nigel Yaman TV.
Yo, people, yo, I the way a dog bite the bread. Just look and bite the bread, people. Just watch his style. Watch his style. Look how the dog go down. Just watch. Yo! The dog just make a dip and go in and eat. The sandwich, you eat after 30?
Boy, guys, the sandwich, we see we could have swear something. Could have seriously could have eat off all that sandwich, guys. I swear, my boss. Probably through me I cook. You know, then so when you cook, you kinda, you know, belly full faster than everybody else.
Yeah.
But I mean, the sandwich is nice. Big up Nigel Yaman TV, big up Nick, and it's a lifestyle moment, guys. Really respect Nigel for extending the invitation for me to be here. But it's my first time being at Lime Cay. It's a good look. I'm definitely going to come back, and we're going to do something bigger and better next time we come back. You understand, guys? So again, subscribe to the channel. The Boy Knife Ninja active, and we're out there without fear. That is it.
Believe. You know now, you know what catching people? Him eye more hungrier than him belly. So that reach him. So big up on yourself. We're still out here. A lot of people are leaving now. Look like the rain are gonna fall. So everyone are pack up to leave. We gonna be leaving soon. So I'm gonna go and stay tuned. I'm keep on posted. I'm make you know what's going on, alright? Believe. Alright people, so we're gonna head off our island here now. It was a good vibes, I'm not lie. The food was good, the people was great. I meet a whole lot of people today, not gonna lie. So right now we'll get with stuff, meet up with the boatman, and then we're gonna head off and head back from the mainland. Alright, so I want you to stay tuned till we reach over to the mainland, alright? Big up on yourself, go and watch the process. Yeah man, we are left the island here now, people. Look how we're going. Active. We are going on the mainland, you know. It was a vibes out here, nah lie. You see it. So let's just go and stay tuned till we reach in on the mainland. Where you say, Ninja?
Yes, no man.
Believe, no man.
That is it, you see it?
That is it.
Cool, man.
Nah, smoke crack with it. See? So I'm boat over there, so. Nigel Yaman TV. Believe. Yaman TV. Look what go on there, people. Yeah, left it place here now. One big up the captain, you know. Yes, captain? Captain. Yes, no man. Yes, no man. One little D. Big him up. I saw this, you know. Yeah, man. When I see father earlier. That a go on. See both them.
Hi guys!
Yes, no man. That a go on. Yes. So we are going for the mainland. We're going to pack up and go on. What you say?
Yeah, a blue boat come?
Yeah. One blue boat?
Yeah.
Mad Max,
yeah.
I'm near Mad Max.
No can't miss him. No like you should miss him. Video, remember Tony? Not moving a boat you don't catch. Not moving, no vehicle moving don't catch.
Yes, no man. The boat are come, man.
No vehicle moving don't catch.
Yeah, man, it's a forward. It's a forward.
Yeah, there front and yeah, there back. Watch every movement. Every movement.
Yes, no man. Alright. How was it, Nick?
It's good.
Do you enjoy it?
First time back since 2009.
First time back since 2009.
Yeah.
You hear that, people?
So it's nice. Good to see it again.
Good to see it again.
Yeah.
How was the food?
It was good.
It was good?
Yes.
I have, big back gone. Big back. Where's Sam with your big back? So, we're going to check in over here so with big back. We can see where big back are going with. Your sandwich there, big back.
Right now, my bag this, right? We can't
Yeah.
just take the bag, don't it? Because
That bag, yeah.
the only thing we're in there is snorkel, the water.
Yeah, man, you can't take that bag there.
Alright.
So we have big back here, so big up yourself in a big back.
Guys, we made connections. We made a lot of connections, guys, you know what I mean? Your boy Night Ninja active. Big up Nigerian Man TV. It was a beautiful day. First time in Lime Cay. You know what I mean? And guys, we're definitely going to come back. And next time it's going to be better. You know what I mean? So it's just a lifestyle moment.
You know now.
You know now.
You know now. I'm going to collect your pot them. So I'm going to write that's a whole for people are forward back in. Alright, big up yourself. Another boat that? Another boat there?
Blue one, me attack.
One blue one?
Yeah.
One big one?
Yeah, the blue one.
Oh, it depends on the way you come, man.
Where you come?
Yeah, it's so forward.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Alright, see party of people and everything. So we are going here now. Big up again in my general. Look like rain did fall from main island here. But when we did it over Lime Cay, it did a drizzle. It ain't really a fall. But right now I'm soaking wet. So, big up on yourself again, people. Thank you guys for watching. And you don't know, say, if you don't like the vlog, if you don't like the video, if you don't comment, let me know. And so we can do more like this, alright? So, peace and love. Love and peace. Big up on yourself, near and far, yard and abroad. Love on you. See you in our next video. Nick!
Up top.
Believe.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?